Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Hello everyone, this is Blake again, and today I'm going to be showing you how those VPN sniffers decrypt VPN apps so that if you are a developer, you protect yourself from such attacks on your projects. So I'm going to be using VPN, which is an Android virtual machine, and it's actually what you're seeing on the screen. In it, I'm going to be using apps like NP Manager, MT Manager, and some others you'll see. Now right now I'm in NP Manager. I'm going to choose my theme color. It's over there, and I'll go straight to the menu and choose Get APK, that option for Get APK to extract the APK I'm going to decrypt. Now this is Alien Tunnel. I'm going to open it. I'm going to tap on it and tap on Extract APK. This is what they do actually, those sniffers. You have to protect yourself against them. You tap on position to go to the APK. Now this is the APK. You tap on it and tap on view. Still I'm in NP Manager. Remember, I'm going to open the Android manifest file.xml. It's the one I'm going to open, and it's what they open actually. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe so that you move on as a team. Yeah, more videos coming about VPN and what you can do with it. So you can see here the permissions. We're going to do some more addition to those permissions. I'm having a file I made for permissions. We have to add there. I'm going to put it. I'm going to put the link actually, the link in the description. So here is the file notes. I'll open it and copy whatever is there. Everything is to be copied, whatever you're seeing on the screen. Yeah, let me copy everything. Copy, and then we go back and we open the manifest file, Android manifest.xml. You open it again and let it open as you subscribe to the channel. Now here it has opened. We're going to just paste it anywhere around here. Let me put it over here. Let me select the position. I tap and press enter to put the space. Now I'll paste it over there. Paste everything over there, and then I press the back button so that I can save everything. Confirm. It will save now. Now after that it has been saved, we shall close NP Manager and we go to the menu and open MT Manager. I've just installed it, so I'll have to first set it up initially. Now I agree to that. Allow. Also again, I'll grant permission. Remember, I turned on root. There is a tutorial I'm going to make about how to root VPN and install Magic so that we hide root. And then we go to APK, Alien Tunnel, that one. It's in the folder called NP. And then when you open NP, you go to APKs. Then you tap on function. You scroll down. Log injection is what you tap on. Uncheck that. Tap on auto sign to check it, and then tap on OK. Tap on OK. Yep. Okay, it's now processing. After processing, it's going to sign the APK, and then yep, we have it there. I'll tap on it to install it now, because this trick works with the uninstalled APK. This is what they do actually. Yeah, I'm telling you, turn on that. You have to protect yourself against such attacks. This is how they do it. Now you tap on install. Remember, I'm having a version which is already installed. I have to first uninstall it. Let me first uninstall it, and then I installed the other one. Yep, let me go back to MT Manager, and then I install this one. Yep, I install it. Yep, so now it's trying to install. Remember, if you're finding this video helpful, you can share it with your friends so that we grow together as a team. So now when it's done with installing, like that, tap on open, but now I'll not open it because I want to first close MT Manager to reduce on RAM consumption. I'll then go to home and let me first turn on data connection before I open the app, because if I open it before anything, I'll get fake stuff. I have to first turn on data connection. Let me go to HTTP custom and then I turn on my internet. Yeah, it was slowing down. Let me reconnect it. Give it a few minutes. Yep, it's connected. We go back to our virtual phone. Yep, I turn on, then I open Alien Tunnel. Remember, it's going to call everything. So remember, as it opens, logs are being recorded. So it's what those VPN sniffers are trying to look for. They inject it so that instead of it getting saved in the app itself, it gets stored somewhere in a folder named MT Manager, and when you open MT Manager, you go to logs. So we are here. I'm going to open MT2. Yep. Now this NP Manager is being fake. Let me close it and go to MT Manager because it's my favorite. I open MT2 folder and then I open logs. That one, the one you see here, you open it. You can see here I'm having two logs. The first one is the one which got recorded when the app was just at its starting, when it was just booting. Now the second one was the one which got recorded while I was updating the config. Remember, I did it at some point when you, if at all you watched it carefully. I'm talking about the video. So you scroll down. Yeah, you scroll down. I'm being talkative too much, man. You scroll down and you copy all of this. You can see it has been well injected and recorded. So this is what those VPN sniffers are trying to look for. So I'll make a video about how to protect yourself against such attacks on your projects. This is what I wanted to show you, what those VPN decryptors and sniffers do on your applications, on your APK projects. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a comment, a like, share it with your friends. I sign out. Meet in the next video. Bye bye.